Hello and welcome to the Wednesday edition of Katrina's Creations. This is a knit crate unbagging. It used to be a box, now it is a bag. So this is actually June's knit crate. It is August, but because of, well, you know, the situation going on in the world, everything is delayed with the shipping. So this is June. I just got one bag this time. July's is also slow because usually I have July's by now. So it will be coming hopefully shortly. And I do have 2 knit crates for July, but for June, I just have the one. So let's open it and see what I got. All right, first, they sent me a little extra. It is a knit cozy. It says sip 1, stitch 1, repeat. So let me hold that up close so you can see it. There you go. And yeah, I guess you can fit a tin can in there. It's very small looking, but I guess this would fit like a soda can. I don't tend to drink sodas out of cans. I don't drink that much soda to begin with. Yeah, so I don't know. My water bottle, I don't think is gonna fit in there. Maybe one of those small, like the store-bought water bottles might fit in here. We'll have to test it out to see what's going to actually work for this. But anyway, there's the freebie that they sent. Now let's take a look at the yarn. It's very, very soft. This is Vitalana Oasis. You can see that. This particular color is called Phoenix. Now it is 50% alpaca wool, 25% Peruvian Highland merino wool, and 25% Surrey alpaca. So altogether, it's got 75% alpaca in it, between regular alpaca and Surrey alpaca. Which is kind of funny because there's 2 types of alpaca. There's the Surrey alpaca, and then there's another one which I can't pronounce. The Surrey alpaca has the fleece on it, kind of looks like dreadlocks, is the best description I can come up with. But it also says it has 50% alpaca wool in it. So maybe that means the undercoat. I'm not real sure what the difference is. This is made in Peru. It is a DK weight. It is 252 yards or 230 meters in a 100 gram skein. Now, here's the interesting thing. I'm going to hold this up. It is a single ply. So you can see it there. When it's plied with more than one, you would see more than one twist in here, but these are single plied. And so some of it is a little more uneven. You can see some spots are a little thinner than other spots, but overall it is a DK weight. And this is not my hair in here. That is actually parts of the alpaca. It is extremely soft, and when you first look at it, it looks like it is black or dark charcoal, which I thought it was at first, until you hold it in the really bright light. In the really bright light, it is actually a very, very deep purple that has been spun together with some black. So from a distance, it looks black, but when you get it close in a bright light, it's a deep, almost like an eggplant or aubergine color. See if I can get it to do it. You can kind of see the purpley undertones here. It's darker than what it's looking like in the picture. But it's really pretty. When I first saw it and I thought it was black, I was really hoping it was black because I could put it together with a lot of things. But you know, purple's one of my favorite colors too. But like I said, this is such a deep, deep purple that I will try to insert a picture so you can get a better idea of the correct color here. Because like I said, in this light it looks black. When I get it too close, it's too purple. It's not grape colored. So yeah, that's what I got, 2 skeins. Now let's take a peek and see what the patterns look like this month. This theme was called Inspirations. And I'll show you, should have it in the first couple pages. This was the themes that they took the colors from. Let me see. Okay, here's the color. Here is the color choices that I could have gotten. So they ranged from a tan to a kind of a blue to a green to kind of a burnt orange color and some shades of red. And then this is the color I have here. So the kind of deserty type of colors. And if you ordered the sock club, these were your 3 choices of color for the sock club. So now let's take a peek at the pictures and the patterns. The knit pattern and the crochet pattern look very, very similar. The knit pattern is called Leaves and Soda, and it's by Lola Lagaro Dahilokun. I probably totally mispronounced that. And the crochet is the Jackson Shawl by Laura Algera. So, get these up close. This is the knitted one. This is the crocheted one. And like I said, when you look at them, they look very similar. And I've seen them do this a few times lately, is they'll make the knit and the crochet one look very similar to each other. The sock one is, let's see, Happy Little Tree Socks. That's the knitted version, or the knitted sock, and it is by Brenda K.B. Anderson. And the crocheted sock is like a footsie sock. I actually like the crocheted one better than the knitted one. It's called Sidelined by Roan Strong. So here you go. This is the knitted one. And I mean, it's a pretty pattern. But I think these are kind of cute. So that is the crocheted version. Now, next month's theme, which would be July, it's called Weekend, and these are the pattern, or these are the color themes they're basing on. So a lot of like bright colors and like not, well, neons actually. So that could definitely be interesting. So that is, you know, I said it was Inspirations. It's actually Mirage. I read it wrong. It's Mirage. I read Inspirations. It's Mirage. That was the theme. I kept wondering why I saw like Oasis, like a palm tree. So yeah, it's just theme and inspiration, which is Mirage. That makes more sense with the colors that were in there. Like I said, it reminded me of desert colors. So if you're interested in giving Knit Crate a try, you can. Their prices are more than they used to be. They are I believe it's $24.99 plus shipping, and the shipping is like $7.90 something. Altogether, it comes out to $37, almost $38. So, you know, just so you are aware of that. But you can get 20% off of your first box if you click the link down below. You do have to cut and paste that link to get to it, I believe. But that can get you 20% off of your first box if you want to give them a try. And yeah, or I think there might also be a deal where you can get half off. That I'm not positive of. If there is, I will stick it down in the description box. There is a possibility you can get 50% off your first box. I don't know if that's still running. That runs sometimes and then sometimes it doesn't. So if that special is running, I will stick it down in the description box, and that's probably your better deal. So yeah, I'll figure it out and put them down there. So if you're interested in giving it a try, if you decide to cancel after your first month, just make sure you go online and cancel before the first of the month. So otherwise you automatically get billed. So that is June's Knit Crate. So we are awaiting July's Knit Crate, so that should be coming hopefully shortly. And that is it for the Wednesday edition of our Knit Crate unboxing. So thanks again for watching. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please click that little red subscribe button down below. Thanks a lot, and I will see you again later. Bye, everybody.